Hi my country people, how una dey? Our famous Nigerian actress wey also be one of our celebrities wey dey influence brands on social media, WUNMI TORIOLA don kukuma come outside come tell im fans say she no dey inside marriage again.
He made me apologize for everything. Everything. Including the things I did right. I practically apologized for a living. I gave the reassurance by doing everything he asked of me. I gave up my time, my life, my skills, my career.
WUNMI wey im nickname be Queen Latifah dey follow her fans yarn for im official Instagram page where she take style post herself on TikTok come take honey way tell the whole world say she don dey single now. According to wetin dey inside the TikTok video, WUNMI dey shake body around sake of say she wan choose between the two options where one na married and the other one na single. As she do merry-go-round finish, na im the 34-year-old actress settle for single option. For the Christmas wey we just celebrate finish wey never reach 1 month, many busybody people don dey talk say dem dey smell something fishy sake of say WUNMI no dey with her husband when she celebrate the special day with her son. Na inside the video wey she post thereafter, she take her mouth yarn say we didn't do pyjamas shoot but we ate. My people, wetin come make the truth show face wella about the crashed marriage na when WUNMI come post for Instagram page where she say she waka comot from domestic violence and marriage wey she no dey enjoy and she wan borrow herself correct sense. As we dey yarn now, she don delete the post and na only God know the reason.
My life, my skills, my career, everything. I gave them all up for him. And all he did was to constantly remind me of how I would never be good enough for him. I am tired. I am tired.
As dis news dey fly around now, na so her fans come dey react left and right. Make I quote some of her fans' reaction. One Yinka write say, "I am glad it came from you. It means you are working well on your circle, something that has been over 2 years. And please, don't respond to anyone. I am your in-law and I know you really tried, so let anyone run their mouth." Another of his fans, wey im name na Abiola, write say, "It's not like being married is a yardstick to happiness. Please, the most important thing is that you are happy with or without it. Please enjoy the new year, WUNMI." Fola also write say, "Marriage is not the certificate to heaven. Live your life and stay happy. Happiness is #1 priority. Remember you are loved at WUNMI TORIOLA, our own Queen Latifah. Stay happy. Enjoy the new year. Remember God loves you and He has a good and best plan."
Ọdún tó bọ̀ lọ́hùn lèmi máa tó lọ sí Mẹ́kà. Àwọn ìyáálé mi gbogbo wọn lè tí wọ́n lọ sí Mẹ́kà. Kódà àwọn tí ò bímọ fún yín gan ẹran wọn Mẹ́kà. Because tí wọ́n ká fọmọ ṣé ni èmi ni mo bímọ fún yín lẹ́yìn ìyáálé mi. Ìwọ ni tèmi.
If una gbadun dis gist, make una help us subscribe, like, comment and share so that we go dey notify una as other gist dey shele. And for my people wey don already subscribe, no forget to turn on your notification bell icon so that sharparly dem go dey notify you as we dey upload new video.